is One Honey Bell, and I'm doing some stuffed red snapper. That's what I'm doing today. It's like a complete food. I'm gonna wash it with my lemon and vinegar, and it's gonna be like a complete meal because I'm gonna stuff it with like callaloo and stuff like that. So these snapper is different from the ones that I made before because these are mostly in the Caribbean, or only in the Caribbean, red snapper, and they're very delicious whatever way you want to cook it. So I show you what's going on later with my red snapper fish. Yeah. Welcome back to One Honey Bell. Yes. So today I told you last night that I was doing my red snap. I'm gonna stuff them. This is my butter. I'm cutting it up into, this is corn and callaloo, and I have my butter. It's kind of hard, so I'm cutting it up now so that I can put a little bit when I mix it up with in the fish with the stuffing. This is my stuffing, and I season it with little salt, garlic powder, onion powder. You mix it up. I'm gonna put some okra as well, but my daughter, the big daughter, don't like okra, so I'm gonna make some without okra for her, and then I'll stuff it with the okra. So I mixed it up because okra is optional. Not everybody like okra, and you're not looking. Then this is the fish. You know, I seasoned inside already from last night. Or you can do it like an hour. You don't have to do it from last night. And then after mixing up, this is how you stuff it. Stuff it like this. Make sure like you get a piece of the butter in there. Like this. You put it and you stuff. So this one without the okra is for my daughter, because she don't like okra, as I told you guys. And then I show you how I wrap it. This is the foil, and you make sure you stuff everything in. And you can also put like some butter on the foil like this. Just a little butter, you know, on the foil. I'm showing you all the little tricks so that you can't go wrong when you do this. Okay, and you put your fish down. Depends on how you cut the paper. You can turn it like this and you wrap. You make sure everything is covered in the foil. So this is what we do. We use some butter and we put it on the foil. I'm showing you again so you get it right. Make sure you wash your hands. Your hands is clean. Then you're gonna use your fish that is seasoned already. I put season inside, and then I'm gonna stuff it. This is, as I told you, it is callaloo with corn. You can put like a tin corn, or you can get a packed corn. And then you're gonna stuff it with your fish.
Guess what?
You're gonna stuff it with your fish.
Guess what?
So you stuff it with the callaloo like this. Callaloo with it. Yes, so this is how you put in yours. This is my red snapper fish. I told you I'm roasting them, so you turn it like this. You put it like this on the grill in your oven. And I'm gonna do 5 minutes on one side, 5 on the other side, and then I'll show you when I take it out how it looks. But let me show you something down here. To prevent, come up a little bit please. To prevent drainage or anything in your stove, you put a piece of foil paper underneath. So after your fish is ready, you can take out that piece of paper, like if there's drainage from the fish, so you don't mess up your stove. But this is how I'm doing with my fish right now, and I told them I'm going to turn them over like after 5 minutes and let 5 minutes cook on this side, 5 minutes on the other side. So subscribe and like and hit the notification bell and follow us on YouTube and Instagram. Subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Bye. Later. Show you. My fish is ready and I'm eating. Tastes so good. I just want to show you how it is. It's soft and nice. Here's the okra. It's like okra with the callaloo. It's also, you have to be careful with bones. It's also good. It is amazing. I hope you do some of this for your family too. Subscribe and like to our videos on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Mwah.